nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they'd just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. And Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Boys, this is war. What are we waiting for? Why don't we break the rules already?
I was never one to believe the hype, saying that for the black and white. I tried twice as hard and half as light. Here we come again to jack my style, and that's alright. Found a martyr in my bed tonight. Stops my bones from wandering just who I am. Oh, who am I? Well, some nights I wish that this all would end, 'cause I could use some friends for a change. Some nights I'm scared you'll forget me again. Some nights I always win. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Whoa, what do I stand for? What do I stand for?
Most nights I don't know.
So this is it? I sold my soul for this? Washed my hands of that for this? I miss my mom and dad for this?
No, when I see stars, when I see stars, that's all
I
they
hear
are.
songs, they sound like a swan, so come on. Come on. Come on. Well, this is it, guys. That is all. 5 minutes in and I'm bored again. 10 years of this, I'm not sure if anybody understands.
This one is not for the folks at home.